Hello friends, Peter Thiel is a billionaire entrepreneur, venture capitalist and the founder of PayPal. Once he took a lecture in Stanford University related to startups and businesses, where he told students some of the principles from which even they can start their own billionaire company. By making this world more better and improved place to live. A student named Blake Masters made a detailed notes of that principle. People found those notes so useful that it started spreading outside the college as well. Then Peter started working with Blake and improved those notes and make a book out of it. So that not only the Stanford University students or his country can use that knowledge, but also the entire world. Today I will share some of the principles of that book. So principle number 1. Go from 0 to 1. A time when horses were used for traveling purposes. At the time, if you have provided people faster horses or by doing the business on making a better or an improved horse cart, then you would have achieved progress. But that progress will be said going from 1 to n. But instead of making the horse cart, if you had given a new way to people for traveling by making a car, just the way Henry Ford did, then the progress will be called as going from 0 to 1. If you want to become successful, then do something new. Go from 0 to 1, which is also known as vertical progress. Do something which has never happened before, because if anything is already made and you are making the same old by copying or by making some modification on it, then you are going from 1 to n. For an example, Yippee did by improving the masalas as Maggi masala was getting so common, which is known as horizontal process. But by doing this, there will be a less chance of getting success. And if by mistake you get the success, it will not be huge and won't last for long. In the business world, every big event happens only for once. World's second Bill Gates will not build operating system. Next Mark Zuckerberg will not create the social networking site, or the next Larry Page will not create the search engine. If you are copying their product, then you are not learning from them, because they got the huge success when they went from 0 to 1. So let's talk about principle number 2. Become a monopoly and avoid competition. We live in a society where competition is given more importance. Our education system teaches students to compete at a very young age. First they compete for marks, then for a job, and when don't get anyone, they start competing with the neighbors. For a business, competition is like a poison. Peter says, competition and capitalism is totally opposite. One is related to generating profit and the other one is related to finishing the profit. The more you have competition in the market for your business, the less you will generate profit, even if business is very huge. For an example, US airline company earns in billion. Still in 2012, the company earned 37 profit on one passenger. Now let's compare this with Google. In that same year, Google earned 50 billion, whereas airline earned 160 billion. But Google from that 50 billion earned 21% of profit, which is 100 times huge profit than airlines. This happened because airline companies were competing with each other. Because of that, they were reducing the price of the ticket. On the other hand, Google was dominating most of the market individually, without competing with anyone for the profit. Today, if you put all the airlines companies together, still Google earned 3 times much profit than them. Google able to do this because Google's search engine is a monopoly and it has no competition in the market. So if I ask you to search something on the internet, without a second thought you will go to Google because you know that Google is the best search engine. Similarly, if you want to have huge success, you need to create a monopoly of your product and services so that no one has any other option compared to yours. Now coming up to principle number 3. Start with a niche market and then dominate. Amazon is a website where you can get almost every product, but Amazon has not started this way. In the beginning, Amazon concentrated on the small market, which was only for books readers. Earlier, books were found only on the bookstores, because of which it was very difficult to search for the book, and it has also resulted in the loss of the book publishers. Then Amazon has came up with the online Amazon store by taking 0 to 1 progress. It gave a lot of benefit to many people. After getting the success on the book business, Amazon has came up with other books related products such as CD, DVD, etc. and slowly dominated the other market. So similarly, if you want to make your business a huge success, then at start concentrate on the niche market. Solve a big problem of a small group where nobody is focusing, where there is less competition or no competition at all. At start, give your best service and later slowly expand your business and dominate the market. Always remember, instead of becoming a small fish inside the big pond where other big fish can eat you, try to become the big fish of the small pond. And then go to the big pond where you follow these things and start your business. There will be higher chance of you getting success. This principle I have shared with you all is from the book 0 to 1. If you have some interest on business or startup, then definitely you should read this book. It contains many other valuable principles which can help you to understand on how to make the next billionaire company.